I'm a digging up the land. I'm a digging. I am digging up the land. I'm digging.
Okay, what we want to do is show you some snippets of our trip to June last year, where we went to see our granddaughter graduate and join the military. We wanted to be there for her, and we wanted to see colorful Colorado and what it was like, and it was beautiful. And then when we came home, we went to a local place around home and found out someone was baiting Bigfoot. Can you believe it? Oh well. But anyway, here we go. Well, here we are in Colorado Springs, Garden of the Gods, and we've come to Colorado to see our granddaughter graduate. We just got from the airport just a few hours ago, and gonna look around, and this is so cool. These rocks are neat. It's a beautiful place, beautiful area. It's first time to Colorado. I like it. It's really pretty. Climate's much drier than what we're used to, but still really pretty. And we're going to try to see a lot of things. We're going to try to get to Mesa Verde and different things while we're here. This is it. Probably got her on here, but
she's right there. Huh?
Was she on this side or the other side? Was she on this side or the other side? I probably got her then.
She's gone. Yeah, she's gone.
That's all right. I'm just. Okay. The Papa's got Larry. He's got something.
Oh, they're so pretty.
Green represents eternal life. Eternal life, and you can have it. You can have it through Jesus Christ, and you know that. Eternal life.
I know.
Okay.
I love you.
I love you too, baby. We are on a journey looking for some kind of dead Indians over here somewhere. But anyway, if you polygrippers or something. And anyway, there goes Bubby. She's walking and she fell and slipped and she's twisted her knee again. But I know as soon as we get home, she can't get up. She'll want me to bring her some tea or something. But right now, she's got to go. She's going crippled off the side of these cliffs. And man, it is terrible.
And then all of a sudden at home, she won't be able
And
to
all
walk.
of a sudden at home, I'm going to remind her of this day.
She won't be able
All
to
right.
walk into the kitchen.
That's right. And I got my daughter for a witness. And Misty. And she just had a gallbladder operation. And she's feeling fine. She ate the hottest chips or something. Hottest chips. And it's a miracle.
Pepper. What is it, Bradley? Ghost peppers? Yeah. Haunted ghost pepper.
Oh, yeah, and she has no attack today, and she has been laughing, and it's just amazing.
I feel fine.
God is good, ain't he?
God is great. Let us thank.
That's a solar panel or something. No, that's solar panels or something.
What did he say?
He was like, is that you, dude?
No, that's
I
elk.
said, no, it's elk. He said, oh, that's cool.
Awesome prize at Big Daddy's. Bradley. Me and Bradley is at State Park at Pueblo. We think we're going to try to catch us a trout. What you think about that, Bradley?
I think we're going to do it.
Think we're going to do it?
Look how pretty
Well, yeah, look how pretty this place is, man. This is pretty swell, so if I catch anything, I'll get back with you.
He moved. That time we went to take it.
Graduated, now this is where she's at. She has made it.
And here we are. Manitou. How do you say that, Terry? Manitou? Manitou? Manitou Springs. Replica of the cliff dwellings. The cliff dwelling we went to yesterday was dangerous, so we couldn't actually go right into it. So this is the closest thing to it. Kind of lets us see what it wasn't like inside. And I was so give up, we couldn't get to the other cliff dwellings. So this is really nice. Okay. Yeah, I do too. What did you say, Larry? That was a what horse?
This is a quarter horse. And see right here, if you want a bigger horse, you put 2 quarters in. You want a 3/4 horse, a 4/4 horse, whatever.
Hey, Hope. You like living in the teepee? All right, I'm videoing you. Uh-huh. Okay. What else you gonna do? Oh, okay. How you gonna cook it? Oh, okay. That's a good idea. You gonna pluck its feathers off first? Okay. All right. That's good. Well, all right. Good luck. I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna pull in on it. We are at Nature Park in Colorado. I know that doesn't appeal to some folks, but I find it interesting. Not sure what that is, but nonetheless, it's a beautiful area. This place has been so pretty to see. I love it. We're walking close to the river. Not too close, but at this minute. And then you see this all up through here. It just keeps on going. We're doing the river walk, and that's a gondola, and it goes this way. We're in Pueblo at the Arkansas River Walk. It goes that way. We can walk a little way. We're part 1 hour, so we have to watch our time. And so, and there's men statues, all kind of statues over there. Indians, I suppose. Okay. He's building bricks. Putting the sand in there. Clay. Fill it up good where it makes it good and strong. In the Pueblo Museum. Now smooth it off on top. There you go. You know how to make bricks now. Cool. Look at that. Then you gotta let it dry. And when it dries, then you fire it. That's neat.
Oh, I broke it.
Dinner, but later, me and my friend Frank Snyder are going to.
Larry, it's not real. Don't eat it.
You should join us.
You're trying to, though, ain't you? Is those cookies good? Uh-huh.
This time, we'll allow a few minutes here in the room to get pictures with your friends and family, if you want a group photo or anything of that nature. When you're done, you'll come through this door right here, and we'll drop the final paperwork for the day.
We're in the mall at Denver. Our plane was delayed, and so now we had to pass the time. 4 hours time, because all of American Airlines was canceled just about, they said. I don't know what's going on. They said ours caused a mechanical. Would you water with Macy?
I'm not letting my water get wet. Your water get wet. Wow.
Can't let her water get wet.
I don't want it to get wet because then it'll taste like rainy water.
Yeah, that's a Bigfoot setting, or somebody did it to make it look like somebody, the Bigfoot been up here. Probably somebody did it. I mean, you know, people are doing that nowadays.
No, I think it was Bigfoot.
You know, I don't go for that kind of stuff, because I don't doubt there is some, but, you know, that's kind of crazy. I'm wondering who did this. Somebody's made an offering to Bigfoot. Look at that. They got a bone there and some pretties for him. Somebody,
There's one over there.
that's probably that guy that from Cheehaw. I can't think of his name. That calls himself the Cheehaw something or other. I think that's what he calls him. And there's, I don't know if I'm getting it right now, but there's some more piled up.
What's that supposed to be, Cherry?
Huh?
What's that supposed to be?
What is it? Yeah, they'll try to draw the Bigfoot in by baiting and by putting stuff like that.
How?
Because sometimes they claim, I don't know what's on that big rock right there though, because that looks like a snake head.
Sometimes what?
Thing. Huh?
Because what?
They try to do something like that to bait them, so that kind of make like sort of like friends with them, but they'll let them see them.
Hey, what's that on top? Is that a
I know,
fish?
that's what I'm wondering, if it's a fish bone
That's
or
a skeleton of
yeah.
a lizard.